Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your Android phone tracking you and listening? Turn this off. In today's digital world, your smartphone is more than just a device for calls and messages. If you are using an Android phone powered by Android, it is constantly working in the background, collecting data, learning your habits, tracking your location, and even listening for voice commands. While many of these features are designed to improve your experience, not everyone is comfortable with how much information is being gathered. The good news is that you can take control, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the most important tracking and listening features on your Android phone. First, let's talk about location tracking. Many apps request access to your location even when you are not using them. To turn this off, go to Settings, tap on Location, and then select Location Services or App Location Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can access your location. Change permissions to Allow only while using the app or Don't allow for apps that don't truly need it. You can also disable Location History, which is often linked to your Google Maps activity. This prevents your phone from storing a timeline of everywhere you go. Next, let's address microphone access. Many people worry that their phone is always listening. While your phone isn't secretly recording everything, it does listen for wake words like "Hey Google" if voice activation is enabled. This feature is connected to Google Assistant. To turn it off, go to Settings, tap on Google, select Settings for Google Apps, then choose Search, Assistant and Voice. From there, disable Hey Google, voice match and microphone access if you don't use it. You can also go to Privacy, then Permission Manager, tap Microphone, and review which apps have access. Remove permissions from apps that don't need it. Another important setting is ad personalization. Android devices often use your activity to show targeted ads. To reduce this, go to Settings, tap on Privacy, then Ads, turn off ad personalization, or reset your advertising ID. This limits how your data is used to tailor advertisements to you. You should also check background activity. Go to Settings, then Apps, select any suspicious or rarely used app, and tap on Battery or Background Data. Restrict background activity for apps that don't need to run all the time. This not only protects your privacy but can also improve battery life. So review your Google account activity. Open your Google account settings and check Data and Privacy. Here you can pause web and app activity, YouTube history, and location history. Turning these off significantly reduces the amount of data stored about you. Your Android phone is powerful, but you are the one in control. By adjusting these settings, you can dramatically reduce tracking, limit listening features, and protect your personal information. Take a few minutes today to go through these steps and secure your digital life. Privacy is not about hiding something, it's about owning your information. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.